All right, let's keep going. We are now on page 77. If you're following in your packet, it'll look like this. And our text is called Weird Animals, Lungfish by Rebecca McNulty. This is a non-fiction text, meaning that it's going to teach you something, it's factual. Have you ever heard of a fish that can survive outside of water? I haven't. It sounds like something that is made up, but one fish is able to do that. It has a special way to stay alive outside of water. It is the lungfish. And here's a picture of a lungfish. Looks kind of like a snake. This lungfish is on land. Rainy season. Notice the author is using a heading for each section, telling you they're going to be teaching you some information. Lungfish live in Africa. Africa has a rainy season. It is a rainy, wet time of the year. Lungfish live in small lakes called ponds during the rainy season. They swim and eat and they rest like other fish. Here's a picture of the lungfish. Hopefully you can see it better on your packet inside the water. Dry season on page 80. Africa also has a dry season. No rain falls, ponds dry up. That is when lungfish can do something special. Lungfish burrow, burrowing means they're burying their bodies into the bottom of the pond. They dig into the mud. They make a cocoon that covers and protects them. A lungfish makes its cocoon in the mud, and here it's showing you in stages, in steps, that it's burrowing down, it's bearing down into the soil. Resting in slime. That's a great heading. Resting in slime. Here we are. The cocoon is filled with sticky slime. It keeps the fish wet so they don't die. Lungfish rest in the cocoon during the dry season. It lasts for half of the year. That is a long time to live without water. That's 6 months. A lungfish rests in its slime-filled cocoon. Here it is. Kind of looks like a slug. The rain comes back on page 82. Then the dry season ends. Ponds fill with water. The cocoon melts away. It becomes soft and disappears. The lungfish dig out of the mud. Soon they swim like other fish again. And here the lungfish is coming out of the mud. It's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing what they can do. Here are the comprehension questions that go along with your text. Question number 1. Read the first sentence in the first passage. That's that first set of information. What does the word survive mean? What does it mean to survive? Does it mean A, to swim, B, to play, or C, to live? This is a great time to talk to some other people around you if you can. See if they know, what does it mean to survive? Question number 2. What is special about a lungfish? What is special? What sets them apart? What is something that they can do that other animals can't do? Is it A, they can live out of water, B, they can swim in water, or C, they can drink water? What does a lungfish do that other animals can't do? Question 3. Which picture shows what a pond is? So as a good reader, you're going to think back. What did they say about ponds? What did they say about their size? And that might help me to answer these questions. There's the third picture. You could either circle the answer, what a pond looks like, or you can talk about it with somebody. Question 4. Look at the word burrow. What other word in the text helps us to understand what burrow means? So you're probably thinking in your brain, oh, I remember seeing that when it burrowed. What did that mean? Did it mean A, dig, B, make, or C, fall? What does it mean when it burrows? Question 5. What is slime like? Oh, I have a feeling you're going to know this. I saw a lot of slime kits this Christmas. A lot of kids were getting those. What is slime like? A, slime is sticky. B, slime is hard. C, slime is dry. What is slime like? If you don't have slime at home, think about a slug. What is their slime like? Question number 6. Which picture shows what happens after the dry season when the rain comes back? Which picture, here are your pictures, here are your pictures. Which picture shows what happens during the dry season? What picture comes right after the dry season? Mrs. Bartlett has to use her good reader strategies and go back and reread too. What picture shows what happens after the dry season and when the rain starts to come back? Is it A, B, or C?